as promised, I am out here with the outdoor unboxing. This is the new Kaido house, and what a great car. This, as we all know, has been designed by June MI. So just quickly going to show you all sides of the box before I unbox it. Great packaging. This is the new style packaging. Super colorful. Very nice to see that they've got this thing over here. So this is the cellophane packaging. You just very nicely take this all off, and wow, the box shines even a lot more. New styled box, great to look at. Then we have pull tags. Mini GT's packaging is always super snug, and I've got really short nails, so it is a little bit troublesome, but I believe worth the effort. Finally. Then we gotta do this other side. Licensing details and everything. I mean, the best part about this is that you can see that the glue is super duper fresh. It's been packed very recently. The glue is super fresh. So now that I have managed to, just kind of take the car packaging completely off, you just need to hold it and pull it from the top. And what do we have here? Wow, just look at that. What a beauty this is. It's the new Mini GT Kaido house. Okay, super protective packaging. Eek. Now here is where the purple one begins to shine, because it has got that metal flake paint job. So first look, like literally the first look, wow, what a gorgeous car. Looks sick. As usual, I'll start off with the base and just check out that base, like, whoa. I can play around with this all day. I think this base looks better than so many other cars that I've ever seen. It's amazing. The whole paint scheme is just deadly. Then we come on to the sides. Great to see the new alloys, so well detailed. Wow. Then we come on to the front. And it's got that openable hood. This is the first time I'll be actually opening a hood of a Mini GT car, because I think this is the first Mini GT ever to have an opening hood, which is a great step in the right direction. Maybe first we should check out the headlight detailing. The best part about this car is, I think it's been mentioned at many places also, it's that this car, it has got separate headlights. All the headlights are separate, and not just that, the buckets of the tail lights are also separate pieces. This car is total, there are total 35 pieces in this car, which is what, as big as my finger. I think I think it's absolutely insane. Mini GT has been pushing the limits, and it's great to see what can be achieved. Oh my god, oh my god, I finally managed to do it. Whoa, look at that detailing. It looks so good. Now let's just check out the rear. I mean, the thing is that I think I had mentioned it in my earlier video that Junimai has always been inspired by Kaido racers. Now, Kaido racers are these aggressively styled cars, and the aggressive styling can be seen in such examples. You know, it's got the chin spoiler up front, it's got the slit spoiler at the back. So all these are the classic examples of aggressive styling. The rear detailing is very difficult to view, especially because of that spoiler. Just have to try and find the perfect angle. I think this is it. Maybe a little zoom will help. So, I mean, how good is that? Such level of detailing in a 164 car, unimaginable. And this is the first time I'm actually opening this in front of the camera, and all of it, the first time I'm actually seeing this car in person. So all my reactions, you know, they've just been, I've been awestruck. I knew that this car was very hyped, and I have tried to explain the hype about it in a video. What is KaidoHouse, and you know what this collaboration means, because he was earlier designing car for Hot Wheels. Now that he had ventured solo, he left Hot Wheels in 2018. So people were wondering what is the future of KaidoHouse. He partnered with Mini GT. Mini GT has been making some great cars in the last few years, and now this partnership is truly promising because they are trying to unite the best of both the worlds, Kaido House car culture, and you know, the detailing of Mini GT, 35 separate parts in a 1:64 scale model. Now that's impressive, and the best part about it, I cannot not mention it, is the price point. It's coming close to $18 to $20 now. For such level of detailing, that's just insane. Mini GT has always been known for its great pricing, but this car at this price point, my goodness, it's crazy. I'm not even going to do my whole recommendation thing because I think my reactions have made it quite evident that yes, 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 if you find one, you should get one. No questions asked. It has a lot of minute details. If you are a Japanese car culture enthusiast, you will understand. Like, maybe I think this Koyo Rad radiator, it's the radiator brand. Then the engine is the K24, I believe. So it's got a lot of subtle details which true real car enthusiasts will also relate to, and they will be delighted about. So, and obviously it's got a lot of that Jun MI branding everywhere because he has been the mastermind behind this. The wheels, I did not talk about the wheels a lot. The wheels, they are the new alloys. They've tried to make the new alloys, and wow, they have done a great job. They actually spent hours trying to perfect that wheel gap because they wanted to give it the lowest stance possible. And in such small cars, it is very, very difficult. They spent so much time trying to perfect it. All the collaborations, Junimai literally said that I am doing it because I can. Grady was very eager to be a part of this car. Yokohama was very eager to be a part of this car. Junimai further said that such kind of things may not be even possible on a real car. That is why I'm trying to do it on a scale model, because this is where I can push my imagination, I can push the limits. And if I had the means, I would have definitely done this on a real car. This is my review of the unboxing and review of the new KaidoHouse Pro Street Datsun 510. It has been highly anticipated by all the mini GT and diecast enthusiasts alike, and my goodness, this thing is a beauty. And was it overhyped? I would say definitely not. It is definitely worth all the hype. It is a great casting, it's a great model, and it's just stunning to have it in your hand. 9 on 10. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this beautiful car.